Hello, my name is Chabaesele Makoti, and I'm going to share with you and walk you through an application that we've been working on throughout this term. The application, we simply called it Arts Connect app. And the product goal of this app was to come up with a centralized platform where families can easily identify and access performing arts opportunities. These would include dance, theater, orchestra, band, voice, technical, theater, etc. Basically, this app is to bring together public and private educators and arts organizers, community programs, and to make it easier for students to discover and enroll in opportunities that interest them, allowing them to discover and develop their capabilities and capacities. The next part of this presentation is that I'm going to walk you through a prototype of this app that we had developed as a team. What you see right here is what we call a community page. This is where anybody who accesses the app will land on this page. It's a community page. It has a few features. One of the features is that you can, select a location of an event that you're interested in, or a class that you've heard is available, if you know. You can also, as depicted in this page here, you can also select or change the language of your preference. We also have some icons at the bottom here, such as the homepage, events, directory search, login. Let me just, show you the login. Specifically, this take some minutes to take a look at the login. If you click on login, the app will then lead you into a login page, which appears like this, which would have a security code, a username, a password, and an option for you to create an account. If you have forgotten your password, then you can reset your password. This particular sign-in page also will identify whether you're a student, a parent, or an instructor. All right, and it also has alternative login options such as Facebook and Google login. Now, let me share with you another appearance or display. This right here is what we call a parent login page, and a parent logs in. They'll have this view, which also shows that they can also access their child's profile. So this is Laura, the mother of Caleb. And so Laura can log in here. And let's say Caleb signed up for the junior musical playgroup. Then she can click on junior musical playgroup and make a payment for the student's lesson. The same thing, this is Caleb's view, and Caleb can click on there, and Caleb can have the access to message the instructor or anything like that. Some of the things that we had in there also was the ads. These are ads that are linked to the different pages and instructors, which they have partners, and they can, advertise whatever that things that they have in there. All right, now let me share with you in conclusion some of the things that we have learned throughout. I feel that what went well with our team was that we had a lot of communication. Our team communicated a lot to make sure that we met goals and the sprint was a success. One of the things that issues that we came up around was that we kind of had an approach of a trial and error approach to our sprints, which meant that we'll discover some things later on in the middle of the sprint. And so the developers and the product owner would have to find ways to incorporate those without jeopardizing or changing the sprint goal. I wish that we would have dealt with these at the beginning by making a further and in-depth study of what that sprint really required. And then during our sprint planning, that would go in depth and discuss this and make sure that they're incorporated right from the start. What have I learned throughout this term as we work on this project is adaptation. Our team had to adapt a lot. And obviously, communication was a key role in that. We had members that would fall sick. We had members that were affected by, blackouts and internet issues. And so those were areas where we had to adapt roles and make sure that we meet our goals and things like that. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback.